Hey, welcome back to another episode in the channel. So you might have gathered I'm on a health drive for the next 2 weeks, and this is my way of making CHANA DAAL with no oil. So we want about a kilo of CHANA DAAL, so we want at least 2 or 3 teaspoons of cumin seed that I'm just going to heat up. As soon as I can smell it, we'll come back. So the cumin seeds started to dance around in there. All I'm going to do is add my CHANA DAAL. All CHANA DAAL is chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call them, depending on your region. Dried, shelled and split in half. So 2 of them equals 1 chickpea. Now I've had those soaking overnight. You don't have to soak them overnight, but it was just that I was doing the black rice and I like to soak that over the night. So 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm just going to cover them with water by about 1 inch. Got a nice big pan, 1 inch of water over, and this is really simple. I'm going to add some salt to taste, all by hand, it's just that easy. Tablespoon of coriander, probably a Heap tablespoon. I want a little bit of a chili kick to it, so a tablespoon of chili. Chili's always to taste, and very important, turmeric goes great. Not going to put that on my hand, it'll stain. So I want about a teaspoon of turmeric. Pardon the crude way I'm applying. And if I can find my spoon, I'm just going to give that a stir. And because the CHANA DAAL has been washed thoroughly and soaked overnight, and then washed slightly more again, we're just going to let that come to the boil for around 25 minutes. And when it's nice and thick and softened, you can use a pressure cooker if you want. I believe it's 1 click in the pressure cooker, then 5 minutes on a very gentle simmer, and let it cool down naturally. But I don't like using pressure cookers. I've had a bad experience. I had a turmeric stained kitchen once. I wish I'd have got it on camera. It would have been really funny. So as soon as all that's softened, I'm just going to add a good handful of chopped coriander. The thumbnail is what it looks like, so you can see it's really simple. I don't think anybody wants to watch that boiling down. It's very self-explanatory. So for anybody on a healthy eating drive such as myself, these are great recipes, and I'll be cooking a little bit more heartily on the weekend. Not this weekend, next weekend, but that will be invalid information by the time people are watching this in a year's time. So yeah, I'm just going through a healthy phase. Thank you very much for watching. It's going to be delicious and sin-free, no oil, so that's great.